Hey everyone, welcome back. Shiba Inu weekly chart might suggest upcoming price swing. Dev implies significant advance. Now this is huge news. So be sure to smash that like button. But now payments, a non-custodial crypto payment processor, has introduced a new feature that allows merchants to burn a portion of profits they receive in Shib or Doge Killer. This is a huge advancement for all merchants that are patiently and for the future will accept Shib for Shib payments. Their powerful piece of puzzle being wild and showcasing ongoing utility of the best crypto in the world. The partnership saga continues with now payments Shib tokens, new future enhancement released, and again, we are seeing very beautiful data right now. So be sure to smash that like. But right now, what we're going to be seeing, besides Shiba Inu has a less than 30-day correlation with a Bitcoin at 37%, suggesting a gradual decoupling from Bitcoin market price action. Burning refers to the process of permanently removing a certain amount of tokens from circulation. This is a huge advancement for merchants, and this will burn Shib. Well, let's burn lots and lots of Shib, that we shall see. But another thing that we are going to be seeing, can underwater investors obstruct Shiba Inu's rally prospects? Now, this is really important. This is like an insider graph you cannot see anywhere else. You cannot see them on other channels. You cannot see it on other news. But owing to the inert price movements, the returns fetched by Shiba Inu investors have been quite slender of late. Like they've been not green great. Consider this. Over the past week, this crypto climbed up the ladder by merely 2.8%. In 1 month, you're 2.8%, obviously in the negative on the monthly window. So 2.8%, but obviously it's been a better market and if you built, but 3 months ago, and I know a lot of people did, you're minus 40%, okay? But the Shib market is devoid of vitality at this point, and this is happening for the whole market. Perhaps there's a reason why the price hasn't been able to make impactful swings, as can be noted from the chart attached. During the rally period last November, the metric was hovering around its highs. In fact, during the initial days of March, it did try to pull off a similar feat, but was unable to reach the same levels. At the time of press, the vitality was quite close to the multi-month lows. Additionally, as highlighted in yesterday's article, Shiba Inu has been trading in a region of high liquidity between this price and this price. Buyers and sellers usually interact more in such areas and set phenomena because the price to move at a relatively slower pace. There's a reason why we're witnessing unheard movements on Shib's price chart. So, how does Shiba Inu look ahead? Even though there's room for complacency, Shib bulls at this stage can take things a little easy. Right above the liquidity zone, Shiba Inu has sufficient space to glide up before being tested. Per global in out of money indicator, the next strong resistance zone extends, and this is the region where more than 156,000 addresses purchased over 64.6 trillion Shib are currently out of money, which means 165,000 people or 64 trillion Shib actually lost money. Only when the price approaches the set range, the investors in the loss want to break even. In fact, the selling pressures will gain steam only as it approaches the set zone. Until then, if Shib manages to clear any other minor hurdles in the plat, it would be able to continue marching up north. So what we are seeing right now, the set investors in loss would want to break even. So again, anyone that bought Shib at this price level, bam, this is the next strong resistance. We want to, Shiba Inu holders want to see beautiful green, but obviously 165,000 people are waiting to sell their Shib, and that's what is keeping people under down. Because even if we go up, these whales, or not the whales, but just the community with 64 trillion, just like that sinking, that is a lot. Want to sell, obviously 430,000 addresses actually got money, while 630,000 addresses, so 56% lost money. So and 45,000 are actually kind of even. So this is 64 trillion Shib that is in the red that will sell. Maybe some of them won't sell, because then they're back in the green. But right now they're in the red as they bought at, higher than it was before. That was bull run, and it obviously dropped. So what's going to happen next? Where's this going to go from? Is this going to go up, down, left, or sideways? Again, last 3 months, minus 4%. Is the market going to get more terrible? And you have to consider a lot of terrible things happen the past few days, and maybe more terrible things will happen in the next few days. But again, anything can happen, and crypto, it's still very early, it's still very strong, and that's why I'm hopeful for Shiba Inu. That's why I think it's going to go up, because what we are seeing is the community still standing strong together, and that's exactly what we want to see. Even though we're like 56% of us are in red, 57 actually, we are still very bullish, and that is what's important in the end. That knowing the market, what it is right now, and knowing what the market is going to be in the future, that is definitely something else. But as always, be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you updated with more Shiba Inu news. Peace, everyone.